Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're comparing two highly portable electric scooters, the Unagi Model 1 and the Glion Dolly. The big question today is, which one is more portable? Let's dive in. The Unagi Model 1 is a sleek, lightweight scooter that weighs only about 23 pounds. Its compact design makes it one of the most portable e-scooters on the market. It features a sturdy aluminum frame and has a foldable mechanism that makes it easy to carry around when you're not riding. The Model 1's slim profile and minimalist design allow it to fit into smaller spaces, whether it's in the trunk of your car, under your desk, or on public transport. Its portability is enhanced by its easy-to-carry handle, making it a convenient option for commuters who need to take it on trains or buses. On the other hand, the Glion Dolly is built for portability with its ultra-lightweight design, weighing in at around 26 pounds. It features a unique folding mechanism that lets you roll the scooter like luggage, making it easier to carry over long distances. The Glion Dolly also folds down compactly, making it a great option for those who need to store it in tight spaces. While it's slightly heavier than the Unagi Model 1, its rolling capability makes it more convenient to move around when you're not riding it. Which one is more portable? The Unagi Model 1 takes the edge when it comes to pure weight and compactness, making it incredibly easy to carry and store. However, the Glion Dolly offers additional portability with its rolling mechanism, which can be handy for longer distances when carrying isn't as practical. Which one would you choose for portability? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.